They say renovation is just putting things back together, but that's a lie. It's chaos, it's hundreds of decisions, it's thousands of chances to screw up and one shot to get it right. I'm Blake, and this is Built by Becker. We are rebuilding this kitchen, master bath, and guest bath from the ground up. From layout to lighting, plumbing to finishes. I'm walking you through exactly how we built this one right from the start. Before we start swinging hammers, let me walk you through a few things that trip people up every single time. First, not budgeting for problems, because no matter how well you plan, something always comes up. Hidden damages, delays, product back orders, or damaged materials, it always happens. So build in a cushion. Second, changing your mind halfway through, that'll kill your timeline and blow your budget. Pick your materials, your layout, and then commit. And here's the big one. Trying to live in a house during construction? I don't suggest it. Just don't do it. I know it sounds doable, but between the noise, the dust, the fact that your kitchen and bathroom are literally gone, you'll lose your mind. Budget for a place to stay. Your sanity is worth it. Here's what we're working with. This kitchen is a disaster. Look at this older step-up countertop, this angled design island and sink area, older cabinets with no soft close or decent hardware. I'm a builder and the host of Built by Becker. I have to make this better and bring it up to date. Now, come look at this. This bathroom, it's even worse. Here's the old tub they used for laundry. And these old marble floors and shower, there's no areas for towels or linens, bathroom products even, because the older style cabinetry, and look at the arches here in the wall, and the lighting in here is horrible. This is so hard to be comfortable and feel relaxed. So, let me tell you what we're doing. First up, this angled island and second island, gone. Adding custom cabinets, a huge island, and I know what you're thinking. One of my last videos where I said a massive island is a trend that must go. But in this kitchen, they need a massive island because they're trying to seat 7. Now, for materials, cabinets are gonna be walnut, fully custom. We're getting soft close everything because honestly, who wants to hear a door slam in the morning? Island storage, lots of drawers, a bar area, and a coffee station. Now, when it comes to lighting, we got under counter lighting, task lighting, ambient LED for the glass cabinets, a gas range and hood with lots of quartzite running up the walls and the countertops. And did I mention storage? We got lots of storage in this kitchen. In the guest bath, we are just redoing an old shower, opening up a little space for the water closet, and redoing the cabinets in a light dove color to clean up the look for this Jack and Jill. All showers get built-in niches and modern finishes with new plumbing. The master is getting an upgraded linen cabinet, custom vanities for his and her sides. Remember that video on all the controversy on whether the vanities should be together or separated? Now, the new makeup area, more storage and large format tiles in the shower, and mosaic niches will bring this bathroom into a spa-like retreat. New tile flooring, countertops will help pull it all together, and of course, lots of lighting. What's the timeline for this project? We're estimating 10 weeks if everything goes perfectly, but it won't. So we're planning for 12 and maybe even a little bit of a buffer for when we know stuff will go a little sideways when we open up these walls. Money-wise, this job is gonna land somewhere between $100,000 and $125,000 depending on the final finishes. It's a serious investment, but here's the thing. Cheap jobs cost more in the long run. If you're planning your own project or just want to see how it's really done, this 6-part series is for you. Now, making sure rookie mistakes get left out of the picture, I hope you stick with me through the whole series. Plans are locked, materials are in, and the team is ready. Demolition starts tomorrow. And yeah, we're about to make some serious noise. But I've already run into something that's gonna make things a little bit interesting. Let's just say it's hidden behind that wall. So whether you're here for just one video or you're gonna watch the entire series, we hope that these will entertain you and inform you on how a good renovation should go start to finish, even with all the hiccups and some of the things that will come up along the way. Click that like and subscribe, and thank you as always for watching Built by Becker.